السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected President, honorable guests and teachers, my beloved friends who present here. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam briefly. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born 578 in Makkah. His father Abdullah died 6 months before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam birth. His mother Amina died when he was 6 years old. So his grandfather Abdul Muttalib took care of him. But he told him Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 9. He was known for honesty, fairness and kindness, and this quality is still admired by people today. The Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam message are simple and pure. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.